Welcome to episode 4 of the Tax Smart Daily, a daily video series for real estate investors exploring tax topics that will help you save money and stay out of trouble. I'm Brandon Hall, a managing firm working exclusively with real estate investors on tax and accounting issues. Before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications whenever we drop new videos, and also check out the Tax Smart Real Estate Investors Facebook group and the Tax Smart newsletter. Links to both of those are in the description of this video. Lastly, if you have any questions or if anything that I say resonates with you, please leave a comment on this video with a timestamp. I love interacting with our community. Your comments and feedback are my oxygen, and it means the world to me. Today's topic comes in the form of a question. I have large amounts of Bitcoin gain. Can real estate losses offset it? Great question. Rental real estate is by default passive. So we have to look at the passive activity loss rules under IRC section 469 if we're going to get an answer to this question. Passive losses can only offset passive income. And because rental real estate is passive, we're trying to determine if the Bitcoin income is considered passive income. Because if it is considered passive income, then the rental losses can automatically offset the Bitcoin gain. If the Bitcoin gain is not considered passive income, then the only way to get my rental losses to offset the Bitcoin gain is to qualify as a real estate professional and materially participate, of which we discussed how to do in episode 1 of this series. Bitcoin is going to fall under the purview of IRC section 469E1, which lists the type of income that is treated as not from a passive activity. When you have a gain on sale from a disposition of property that was not used in a trade or business, such as Bitcoin or even a stock sale, then it's considered not from a passive activity. Because it's not from a passive activity, your rental losses by default cannot offset the Bitcoin gain. You would have to qualify as a real estate professional and materially participate in the rental activities to recategorize that rental loss as a non-passive loss, at which point it could offset the Bitcoin income and really any other type of income that you're earning. And again, we talked more about qualifying as a real estate professional and material participation in episode 1 of the Tax Smart Daily. Highly recommend that you go check that out. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of the Tax Smart Daily. I invite you to leave a comment with a question or just telling me what resonated with you. And be sure to check out the links in the description of this video to follow us online and join our various communities.